10 lines on papaya. Papaya is a healthy fruit. The taste of papaya is sweet. Papaya is hollow from the inside and there are many grains inside it. Eating papaya is very beneficial for our health. Eating papaya increases the immunity of our body. Papaya trees are tall and papayas grow in bunches. Papaya leaf is like a medicine for serious diseases like jaundice. Papaya has been considered a medicine in Ayurveda. Medicine is made from papaya leaves. Consumption of papaya keeps our body healthy. For more educational videos, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.